cold start to start the morning off. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, hopefully got a pretty cool video for you. So before we get into it, make sure to like and comment. But today what we're gonna do is we're heading up to my job. I actually have a day off for once. But basically what's going on is that I kind of help organize this car meet. So we're gonna see how it's gonna be looking today. Got some food trucks coming out. Should be a good turnout, and hopefully helps drive business, for the company as well too. But this is kind of like our third or fourth time doing this. This is the second time that we're incorporating like the car meet into it. Before it was just like food trucks, try to drive business. The first time we tried to do it with the cars, turned out, it was kind of a bust. But some of the homies still pulled up in support, so I think this time is actually going to be what we envisioned it. So should be some cool stuff out there. I know the squad is pulling up as well too, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. But I'm gonna get there a little bit early just so I make sure that the food trucks get set up properly, and kind of courteous of the parking situation for co-workers and the customers, because my job is still open today. Hopefully it's gonna be a good turnout, so you guys stay tuned. Oh yeah, and if you heard the start, obviously I have an exhaust on the car now. And I will do a separate video reviewing that and let you guys know what the brand is, what I think about it. It's pretty cool though. I'm liking it so far. Just a couple issues I need to get tweaked, but outside of that, it's not a bad buy whatsoever. So that should be another video coming later on, doing a kind of more in-depth review on that.
You got a Instagram?
Yeah, I got you. Got some clean cars out here. Subi gang.
I get home and I'm like, I've been shifting towards
See what Dustin got under his hood.
It's awesome.
Bro, this car is so damn loud.
Legit.
Yeah. It's not a BMW.
It's a good relationship. Yeah. My wife, she's like, I'm like,
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good seeing you.
It's been a while.
It has. I've been hiding because it's cold.
Nah, that's fair.
Yeah.
And the clean as you'll see.
Basically a foreman.
Food trucks out here. There's menus. Are you good?
Yeah, I found some.
This thing's clean.
Dude, these things sound so good, dude.
Plug in. So actually it's a nice turnout, as you guys can see. So this actually came out a lot better than last time. So definitely satisfied with turnout. Got some cool cars here. Try to give you guys some shots of what I haven't gave you already. I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm about to grab some food in a second. Supras. Great thing about this is that it's such a variety of vehicles. Got an R34 sedan over here. Very, very nice, very nice. All black Supra, just clean. Single exhaust. Another Supra over here with the carbon hood. Sorry. This is nice. What's up, man? How you doing? Doing good. This is a cool paint job or wrap. Don't know, but I mess with it. You got a first gen Viper. Piglet. I like the seats in this too.
Yeah, he's part of the game. I was thinking
Resin
about
shifter.
it.
Not for nothing, to be honest, on my thing, but this is kind of cool.
The winter time is the game.
Then we got the new Z. Like this color combination, simple, and it has a blue interior, which looks dope. You don't see this too often. Then you got the OG M2. I kind of want one of these, to be honest, but I kind of want a comp. It's so clean. Nice and simple.
It's on the backside.
Thick ass paint job. All right, y'all. So it's about that time. Time to get some food. Gotta support the food trucks as well for coming out. But I'm hungry. I did not eat breakfast this morning, and I woke up a little bit earlier to get here to help get like parking and everything situated. So it's time to bust down.
Park here? Yep.
Clean S2K. R7. Y'all don't mind me. I'm tearing down some food right now. That's sick, yo.
I just started buying all sorts of bullshit like this.
Right. I'm gonna try to get some rollout of you guys. Let's drive it. Come back. Come back. You're slow. All right, Jaime. All right, brother. All right. All right, y'all, so we're gonna end the video there. Honestly, it was a pretty decent turnout, not gonna lie. I think if we continue to do it, it'll get even bigger and better. There's definitely some cool cars there. Much better turnout. Still gotta cut back on some of the foolishness, i.e. But now it was really good, man. The weather was beautiful. Food trucks, were cool. Food was good vibes. So hopefully, we get some more of this, get some more cars out here, get better content for you guys. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of a little sporadic all over the place, but just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tune in next time, and then I will have another video again reviewing the exhaust on the 340. So I guess I'll give you a quick cold start from inside the car.